When we asked ourselves what kind of company we want to build, and when I had to personally kind of introspect on this, was we want to do it for the right reasons. And I think this is best illustrated via a story. So you can sell lots of things online to make money, right? Like you could be selling guns and cigarettes if you really wanted to, and probably make money online. And I think the best illustration that I can give about how we connect kind of who we are to our higher purpose around being a sustainable world is really illustrated through a story. And the story reflects kind of what we believe. And what we believe is that maintenance creates sustainable outcomes in our world. And so we're in Toronto. We're a Toronto-based company. One of the biggest highways in Canada and in Toronto is called the 401. It just runs east-west of the city. And imagine you're driving down the 401, you're in traffic, and you're sitting behind like a 1974 just jalopy of a truck, and it's puffing out black smoke. And you're just like, oh, this is terrible. Now imagine if the owner of that truck was like a car fanatic. Oil changes every 5,000 kilometers, maintain the muffler, like fix the muffler with the manufacturer's recommended intervals. You know, did everything they needed to do with a car to make sure that it ran like new today as it did 35 years ago. You'd see the tangible effects of good maintenance on the environment, right? You'd see black smoke, or you'd see no black smoke. Now multiply that on the size and scale of like a factory, many thousands of factories around the world, and you can have a tangible impact on carbon emissions reduction, right? That truck would run like new 35 years later. That's what we're doing. That's the emotional connection that we've tried to bring between Fiix and our business. And those are the three lessons that we've learned as we've gone through this, is that there's a very deliberate question that we need to ask ourselves as we went to go raise kind of serious money. And this is what our investors cared about. We spent an enormous amount of time going through this with our organization. And the answer came to us in three parts. We want to be the best. We want to care about the individual experience of every fixer at the organization. And then lastly, we want to do it for the right reasons. So thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the conference.